In this video, I'm going to review Clientary. Clientary is an financial management tool for your client, and I think this tool is perfect for agency use who have external clients and who are from outside of traditional freelance marketplace. So these are the things, and see, and they're saying that it's an alternative of Harvest and Honeybook. And Clientary is a full suite SMB platform that manages client relationship, invoice payments, and a whole lot more. That means you can use this tool to manage your client work, to manage your client finance work, and to create invoice and other stuff. These are the things, guys. And as you can see, they are offering the lifetime deal on Appsumo. Here you will get all features above, and the features are SSL security, invoicing, estimates, proposal creation, product creation, then time tracking with live timer, expense tracker, staff and roles. That means you can add here your team member and then you can give them different roles. And also they have client facing login and portal, recurring invoice functionality, multiple currencies functionalities, customizable logos, customizable template, and fully customizable dashboard with your logo. And see, the license tier 1 pricing is only 39 USD. Here you will get 10 client access to contact per client, 1 staff user or 1 team member. Also you will get the payment integration, but I'll recommend you to get this license tier 2 at least, guys. Why? Because here you will also get this custom domain feature. So if you want to white label your dashboard and the whole dashboard, then you have to get this license tier 2 at least. Also you can get this license tier 3, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Clientary lifetime deal. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Clientary and let's explore how things works here. Hours last 7 days, that means how much hours you have worked last 7 days, unbilled hours last 90 days, and your invoice for this month. And you can see all your tasks. As you can see, I have created 2 tasks here and I'm seeing this task. You can add new task from here and you can assign this task to one of your team member. And then they have recent outstanding invoices. This is the recent invoice that I have created, and here you can see all your recent project and you can see your recent activity. Basically you can manage all these things that you have shown in this dashboard from here. In the left hand side, see, they have clients. If I go to this client section, here you can create your new client. See, this is one of my client. If I want to create new client, just click here on this new client, and then it will ask you the organization name. Let's say the organization name is pass 80, let's say, and contact full name, let's say full name is pass cont, any name you can give. And here you have to insert the email. Let's say this is the email, and then here you can invite to login, and then he can log in only to his client portal. Basically I hope you get idea. And also they have additional information. You can add his country, state address, city, state, zip code, client ID. You can give here any ID, you can change it, but they will provide you one random client ID. Also you can add here the client website. Let's say the client website is appsumo.com, and here you can add some description about this client. Let's say I will get some dummy descriptions. Let's say this is the text that I will add here, and then they have extra field also. You can add these things here. And also they have contact details, title, phone number, extension, mobile, etc. You can add here if you want, and then just click here create client. Then this client dashboard will be created and he will get one invitation from you basically, and then by using this invitation link they can log in to their client portal. So these are the things. And then they have leads. If I go to this leads section, here you can add your leads. See, in my dashboard I don't have any lead. Just click here new lead, and here it will ask you the contact name, organization or group name, email, phone number, lead value. So let me add the details here. See, guys, I have added the contact name, organization, email, phone, and lead value. Let's say the lead value is $2,400. You can change the currency from here. See, they have USD. You can change these things, and then just click here save, and then this lead will be added here in this lead section. And from here you can see what is your total lead value, lead age, new lead here, as you can see, and you can see your lead status. So these are the things. Here is the summary. Also you can send them proposal from here. If I go to this proposal section, then you can send them proposal. You can also have the estimated revenue from them. So let's say you want to send one proposal, just click here new proposal, and then here, see, here you can set up the client name. You can create new client from here, and in my case I have this one lead and one client. Let's say I will send the proposal to this lead, and then they have proposal date. You can select the proposal date from here. After that, they have proposal subject. Let's say the subject is grab clientary a lifetime deal. Let's say this is one dummy subject, and then they have the body. So here you can edit these things from here. Basically, you can add your proposal here, and here everything you can add. Basically, see they have some text. I think these are the dummy text, or maybe for proposal these texts are mandatory. I'm not sure, guys. So you have to write your proposal here basically, and after writing, you can add as many section as you want. See they have add section option. You can add as many section as you want. Here you can add your signature. As you can see here, you can add your signature. Let's say this is my signature, and let's say this is my signature. I'll just click here confirm, and your signature will be added here. And here you can see the client signature, so your client will get another notification, and then if he agrees with you, they can also sign here basically. And then if I just click here save, then this proposal will be created. See guys, the proposal has been created, and it looks very professionally prepared by my company name and my email, and here presented to your client company name, and here is contact date, and here is the contact details basically. As you can see, here is the contact details, looks very professional, and here the client have to sign, and then your proposal will be signed completely basically. I hope you get idea guys about this proposal. And then if you come to this proposal section, then you will be able to see all your proposal that you have created. Just click here new proposal, and then you can create new proposal, and in this way you can create as many proposal as you want. After that, they have project, and here you can create new project. I have already created one project. See, my project name is project X, and if you want to create new project, just click here new project, and then here you have to insert the client name. That means for who is client this project you have created. You have to insert the project name, project ID. You can insert the project description, in date. So every details you can add here, and then just click here create project. I'm not creating new project now, but I'll show you the project that I have created. See, this is one project named project X that I have created. If I enter inside this project, and here you will be able to see all the details about this project. See, here are all the details of this project, and here you can see the task. That means you can create a task for a specific project, and then you can assign this project to one of your team member. Let's say I have done already this task one, then I'll just click here on this task one, and this task one will be done basically. So these are the things. You can also see your log hours, how many time you have worked. Also you can see your expensive from here. Here you can see your project invoice. If you already created your invoice, and if you want to add any comment, you have to add the comment from here. Let's say here I want to add one comment. Let's say comment 1, and then here if you select internal comment to staff only, then your client will not be able to see it, but if you deselect it, then your client will be see it also. So these are the things, and see this comment has been added here. I hope you get idea. And from here you have to add the project. Now how to add the task, how to add the unbilled hours, I'll show you after some time. You can add it from here. There have option add a task, add a unbilled hours option, but also these options are available here in the left hand side. If I go to this task section, here you can add a new task. Let's say I'll just click here add task, then let's say this task is task 11, and here you can select for which client this task is. Let's say this task will be for Acme Group, and then let's say I have assigned it to this team member. You can add here multiple team member, but in my case, in my dashboard, I have only one team member, and the task will be due for, let's say, 16 January. And then if I just click here add task, then this task will be added. So these are the things. In this way, from this task section, you can add task for any project, for any client basically. I hope you get idea. This task will be added under this project section also, because let's say this task has been created for a specific project, let's say for project X. So if you just select the project X client here, then this task will be added automatically to this project. I hope you get idea. After that, they have time, and from here, let's say you want to do one task now, and then you want to add one timer. So you want to track your time. To do that, you have to just click on the time. Let's say you want to do the work on this date, let's say on this 10 January. So if I just double click here, then let's see what happened. If I double click here, then you have to select the project. That means for which project you are going to work now, and then let's say task summary here. So if I there have one drop down menu, but it's not working. Okay, it's working. See, let's say task 1, not task 1. Let's say I'll add here task 2, and stuff is, let's say this is the stuff, and time, let's say total time is, let's say 2 hours and 34 minutes. Now if I just click here add time, then this time will be added. That means on this date this person have worked this amount of time. I hope you get idea. And here under this time section you will get two feature, calendar feature and add time feature. And here you this is the monthly view, and if I go to this week view, then you will see the weekly view. Also they have day view and add time entry. You can add time entry from here also. I hope you get idea. So you can track your time basically from here, nothing else. After that they have invoicing, and you can generate invoice. Just click here new invoice, and then one invoice will be created. It's very easy guys. I have created one invoice here, and see it's look very professional. This invoice looks very professional. You can create this type of invoice basically. See here I have added the items, and here is the total due, and here is the terms of the invoice, and these are the things guys. Very nice looking um, invoice template. It you can download it from here. You can send it via email. You can also preview as client. If I just click here preview as client, then let's see what it provides us. See guys, this is the preview as client, so your client will see it like that. I hope you get idea. Now let me go back. Here under this invoice section you can see total invoice in this year, payment totals in this year, and outstanding amount in this year. To create new invoice, just click here new invoice, and then you will get the field. Here you have to select the client name, invoice ID, you have to give PO number, you have to give invoice subject, invoice date, currency, invoice due. These things you have to add here, and here you can add your items. Let's say the item name is item 2, and quantity is, let's say 15, and price per unit, let's say this amount, and then the total amount will be calculated automatically. You can add tax also here, and then total amount will be stored here automatically. Also you can create a recurring invoice here. So if you want to create recurring invoice, then you have to enable this recurring invoice section, and then it will be done. I hope you get idea. I'm not creating new invoice now, but you can create as many invoice as you want. After that they have recurring schedule, and here basically you can create recurring invoice. So if you just click here new recurring schedule, then let's see what happened. See, they're saying that recurring schedule are used to automatically generate invoice to be sent to a client at specific intervals. So let's say I will create one recurring invoice. So I'll select one of my client, and then schedule ID. Let's say this is the schedule ID. Currency, you can select different currency from here, and invoice subject, let's say I'll select here. Let's say it will be inv one for you. Let's say this is the subject, just one dummy subject. And first date, let's say first date is this date, and then here you can select occurrence, unlimited or fixed count. Let's say I will create here maybe 8 recurring invoice for this person, and here you have to add your PO number. Let's say PO number will be PO 113, and action, let's say create draft and send reminder, send invoice directly to client, automatically bill client, and send receipt. Let's say I'll select the third one, and then here they're saying that you have to set up the payment method. So if I visit to this URL,